what sentiment do you share as to how the market actually played out in the course of this week? Your thoughts?
Well, I will tell you, I agree with what Ambrose have said, looking at all the numbers and everything. But again, I just want to emphasize,
yes,
our market is going to be a lot of storytelling.
Yes, dynamic. Yes, in the coming days.
Yeah, or even it has even started.
Yeah, so, that's the dynamics of the market.
A lot of because I just mentioned there was a corporate action. I think there were flour mills or something like that. Yeah, flour mills. About 2 naira 50 kobo or 2.25 kobo. Yeah. For me, that is good for investors. Again, you will see that, like he mentioned, all the bond rates, treasury bill, is negative return compared to inflation that we have. But it's only the stock market
that's bouncing well.
But again, investors should be aware. High risks,
high
return. But again, we have also explained to investors, and that's where we stockbrokers, that's our duty. And if Ambrose is telling us at times that we're not doing our work, I'll agree with him. Because we need to let the investor be aware. We need to educate them. They need to be aware that, yes, these are the intricacies in the market. Because it's not easy to come to the stock market and say, you just want to wait and you make that kind of return.
Okay.
You must do your work.
Yes.
You must research. You must have education. At least how to get into the market. Because the market is for everybody.
Yes.
The market is not favorable to any person. It depends on how you look at the market, where you enter from and where you exit.
Yes.
That is the way it is. And you need to get that kind of technical education. And I know it's not too sophisticated.
Okay.
If you meet people like Ambrose, they have a way of breaking it down for them to know. But I just want to say, in the course of the week, the review of the week,
all right, we
had a lot of activities, even from last week till this week.
Yes. Yes.
So, and I think that has really boosted the confidence in the market.
Yes, very
and we are seeing more and more traders coming to the floor now.
Yes.
Physical trading are not even from their office.
Remote trading.
So I mean, today,
remote trading is more
after our morning program today, I was there and I'm back again. So you can see that we want to see more physical activities.
Okay.
We want to see more traders.
But technology is taking over.
Physical activities for me. It's activity.
Yes, for me as a person, if I wasn't doing journalism, if I wasn't practicing journalism, I love the remote jobs.
Yes.
Okay.
Even journalism are gradually shifting to that extent. I was speaking with a colleague of mine who works with the Guardian, and we were talking, and then she told me that with the rising cost of doing business in Nigeria today,
yes,
the print paper are now succumbing to remote working.
I agree with you.
So few people have to come in the office if you have any business to do at the office.
Yes.
So why you are clamoring for people to come back to the floor?
Come on a daily basis.
Okay.
When there are events.
Okay. That's a different case.
Activities.
Those kind of activities.
Yes.
All right, we'll come to that. But let me get the thought of the Doyen himself, Mr. Kashamu, who I believe has joined us virtually on the show. Sir, you've seen how the market played out last week, and you've seen some of the fundamentals that my distinguished analyst here has shared concerning the activities that played out at the exchange. Now, when we look at macroeconomic sentiment as well, do you think that the market, do you think that all of those sentiments were in a way favored the outcome of activities at the NGS?
Yes, I concur with my senior colleagues. What I go with them. The market, bullish market.
Yes. And
it proved very reasonable doubt. Today, as I'm talking to you, we have over 10 companies that have gained between 300 to 700% from January to date.
Amazing.
That shows bullish of the market. And we are waiting for the third quarter result. Remember, up to now, we have not seen a single result sheet. And we are hoping that they are all likely going to be positive.
Yes.
And that will trigger the market for another rally from now to December. Don't forget that this is the last quarter for the portfolio to readjust their portfolio. So we expect more goods to come to this quarter, and we are expecting more stock to rise beyond where they are. Already those who understand the market have started taking position. And you can see it in most of the stock that doesn't do volumes. Now they are doing volumes. And the volume traded per day keep on increasing. It shows you people are ready to go for this. So we say, so far so good. And the market definitely sure will not disappoint the investors.